Good
Hello,
morning, sir.
good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. एक मिनट रुको.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. फाइल के पूरा
Sir, good morning.
गुड मॉर्निंग. एक मिनट रुकिए जरा. हेलो.
This conference will now be recorded.
Hello, am I audible, please? Hello. Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir, you are audible.
आ रही है सर आवाज आ रही है
sir.
स्लाइड दिख रहा है? स्लाइड दिख रहा है? हाँ?
Yes, sir.
हेलो.
Yes, sir. Yes,
दिख
sir.
रहा है सर दिख रहा है।
Hello. So today I am going to take the lecture of mediastinum. The mediastinum is a compartment located between two pleural sacs. The compartment means it is a potential space. It's a potential space between two pleural sacs. That is the mediastinal pleura. It is thick, broad midline, bulky partition between two lungs. It's a potential space. That space is a wide space, broad space, midline space, bulky partition between two lungs. It goes from sternum anteriorly to the thoracic vertebra posteriorly. Also, it goes from superior thoracic aperture to the inferior thoracic aperture. You can see between two lungs there is a mediastinal space. It is bulky, wider, and it is a potential space. This space is covered anteriorly by the sternum, posteriorly by the thoracic vertebra, above by the superior thoracic aperture, below by the inferior thoracic aperture. And it is covered by ribs, muscle, fascia, and thoracic wall. And below it rests upon the diaphragm. Am I audible to all of you? Hello? Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Sir.
So mediastinum
Yes,
is
sir.
divided. Yeah. Anatomically, mediastinum is divided into two parts. दो part में divide होती है by an imaginary line that run from sternal angle anteriorly intervertebral disc between T4 and T5 vertebra posteriorly. It is divided into two parts, superior mediastinum and inferior mediastinum. Further, inferior mediastinum divided into three parts, which is extend downward terminating at diaphragm, is divided into three parts, anterior, middle, and posterior mediastinum. It contains most of the thoracic organ act as a conduit for structures traversing the thorax on their way to abdomen. So structure passes from thorax to abdomen, remain inside that mediastinum, vital structures. So you can see the mediastinal space, wider bulky space between two lung, and these are the parietal pleura, both right lateral and left lateral. You can see here parietal pleura very clearly shown. Mediastinal pleura you can see also. And between two mediastinal pleura, the space which is bulkier, wider, a potential space. Anatomically, this is called mediastinum. Here, this line, you can see a line here. Dikhai pad raha hai? Hello? Are you able to see this line? Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
This line is
Yes, sir,
called
yes, sir.
transverse thoracic line. The line extends from sternal angle. There is an angle over here, sternal angle, to fifth and fourth thoracic vertebra. Fourth and fifth thoracic vertebra. An imaginary line joining the sternal angle posteriorly to the anterior part, midpoint between fourth and fifth thoracic vertebra. That line is called transverse thoracic plane or plane of Ludwig plane. It is written here Ludwig plane. It divides the whole mediastinum into two parts, superior mediastinum and inferior mediastinum. This is the first rib, and the aperture over here is called superior thoracic aperture. This is the diaphragm. The aperture below, actually the aperture is not there, it's a imaginary aperture. This aperture is called what? What is this aperture called? Who will say? Who will say
Thoracic
what
inlet.
is this aperture? Inferior thoracic aperture. What? Tell me. Tell me.
Inferior thoracic aperture.
This whole one is the inferior thoracic aperture. This is the superior thoracic aperture. Just medial side of first rib. Here, there is a big aperture. So this aperture connects the mediastinum between each other. These apertures are connected with each other with this whole mediastinum, which is divided into superior mediastinum and inferior mediastinum by an imaginary line joining the sternal angle posteriorly to the anterior portion of the fourth and fifth midpoint of thoracic vertebra. This line is called transverse thoracic plane or plane of Ludwig. Plane of Ludwig. So the boundary of the inferior mediastinum and boundary of the superior mediastinum. What are the boundary of the superior mediastinum? Please tell me. What is this one? Who will say? Let me say. This
Superiorly
is
covered by
called
first
the
thoracic
no.
inlet and
Anteriorly is by manubrium sterni. Posteriorly by first, second, third, fourth thoracic vertebra. Superiorly by the superior thoracic aperture. Inferiorly by the transverse thoracic plane. So this area is called superior mediastinum. Understand? Hello?
जी सर.
हेलो समझ में आया?
हाँ
एंटीरियरली
सर.
क्या है बोलो? एंटीरियरली क्या है?
एंटीरियरली स्टर्नम है, फिर
मैनुब्रियम स्टर्नी.
हाँ
मैनुब्रियम
मैनुब्रियम
स्टर्नी.
सर. मैनुब्रियम स्टर्नी. उसके बाद
पोस्टेरियरली
पोस्टीरियरली फर्स्ट से फोर्थ रिब है. सुपीरियरली फर्स्ट रिब का थोरासिक इनलेट है और फिर नीचे में इंफीरियरली ट्रांसवर्स थोरासिक प्लेन ऑफ लुडविग है.
Very good. Very good. So this is the boundary of the superior mediastinum. What is the boundary of the inferior mediastinum? Anteriorly what? Anteriorly body of the sternum. Posteriorly
5th to 9th thoracic vertebrae.
5th to 10th thoracic vertebra रे 9th और एक है नीचे 10th thoracic vertebra. Superiorly
Transverse thoracic plane of Ludwig.
inferiorly
Diaphragm.
only diaphragm, any other structure not here. Another structure present here, what is that?
Inferior thoracic apparatus.
Very good, inferior thoracic apparatus, that you must say. So superior boundaries is sternal angle to T4-5 intervertebral disc. Inferior boundary middle of the G5 process. That is the mediastinum boundary. Superior and inferior mediastinum. The mediastinum divided into two parts, superior and inferior mediastinum. Superior mediastinum lies above the transverse thoracic plane that run from sternal angle anteriorly, 4th thoracic vertebra, intervertebral disc between T4 and T5 vertebra posterior. The inferior mediastinum is further subdivided into three parts by the pericardium. The part in front of the pericardium is referred to as anterior mediastinum. This is the anterior mediastinum because it is front of the pericardium. Pericardium is a covering of the heart. Posterior mediastinum is present posterior to the pericardium, and middle mediastinum is wholly covered by pericardium and heart. Understand? समझे? हेलो?
हाँ सर समझ गए.
हाँ, वही चीज लिखा है. Also, it contains heart, root of the great vessel, contains the middle mediastinum. The same picture shown over here. This is the side of the heart and great vessels, and this is the mediastinal space, where the above part is called superior mediastinum. The below part, below the transverse thoracic plane, is called inferior mediastinum, which divides further to anterior, middle, and posterior mediastinum. Anterior mediastinum remains anterior to the pericardium, and middle mediastinum is wholly covered by heart, pericardium, and great vessels. Inferior mediastinum is remain posterior to the pericardium and anterior to T5 to T10 thoracic vertebra. Understand? Hello? Hello?
Yes
समझ में
sir.
आया?
हाँ sir.
So the major contents of the mediastinum are thymus. What is thymus? Thymus is a gland. It secretes T lymphocytes in child, and it is concerned with the immunity of the human being. T lymphocytes liberate immunity, cell mediated and innate immunity, and heart enclosed in the pericardial sac. Major arteries and veins like thoracic aorta, pulmonary trunk, etc., trachea, esophagus, thoracic duct. Neural structures like sympathetic trunk, vagus nerve, phrenic nerve, and the lymph nodes. So what is the content of the main mediastinum? Tell me content of the mediastinum. मैं उसका आगे ले लेता हूँ. What are the content of mediastinum? Tell me.
Sir, thymus,
हाँ.
and then क्या बोलते हैं, pulmonary trunk, aorta, thoracic aorta, trachea, esophagus, thoracic duct.
नहीं, थोड़ा सा गलत हुआ. फिर से.
Sir, thymus,
हाँ.
major arteries and veins like thoracic aorta.
What is the function
Yes,
of
sir.
thymus? What is the function of thymus?
Function of thymus.
हाँ.
Sir, cell mediated innate immunity provide करता है that helps in making T lymphocytes.
Very good. आगे
Then, sir, it has major arteries and veins like thoracic aorta, pulmonary trunk, etc.
then
Trachea, thoracic
हाँ
duct, pharynx
हाँ
nerves, esophagus, and lymph nodes.
lymph node. Apart from this, what are the nerves present?
Yes, sir.
Nerves.
Nerve, phalanxic
Major
nerve,
neural
vagus
nerve.
nerve, and sympathetic trunk.
क्या क्या बोलो एक बार फिर से.
Sir, phalanxic nerve, vagus nerve, and sympathetic
अरे
trunk.
pharynxic नहीं रे, phrenic nerve. क्या nerve है?
Phalanxic nerve.
Pharynxic. Oh, pharynxic. It is not pharynxic. Called phrenic. What called? Phrenic.
Phrenic nerve. Phrenic nerve. Okay, sir.
Phrenic nerve. What is the root value of the phrenic nerve? Root value of the
C3,
phrenic
C4,
nerve.
C5.
Very good. Very good. Where it supplies? आज तारीख क्या है रे? Where it supplies?
Sir, diaphragm.
Very good. Only diaphragm, not other structure.
Primary muscles of respiration.
Very good. And area surrounding the Gifford process. Area surrounding the Gifford process. समझ गए? Hello.
Yes,
Hello.
sir.
So these are the vital structure which is supplied by the phrenic nerve. Apart from phrenic nerve, which other nerve present?
Sir,
और क्या
vagus
nerve?
nerve.
भागस
Vagus.
के बाद और क्या है? और ये तो क्या पैरासिम्पैथेटिक. सिंपैथेटिक में
Sympathetic trunk.
हाँ क्या क्या?
Sympathetic trunk. Sympathetic trunk.
सिंपैथिक नहीं, सिंपैथेटिक ट्रंक. और
Sir, left recurrent laryngeal nerve or brachiocephalic nerve. Left laryngeal nerve.
Okay, recurrent laryngeal nerve, vagus nerve. Vagus nerve कितना होता है? How many vagus nerve present in the body?
Sir, 2.
2. Very good. तो मालूम है तुम लोगों को थोड़ा थोड़ा. Anyway, so these are the structure present. Neural structure like sympathetic trunk, vagus nerve, phrenic nerve, etc. and lymph node. Apart from this, trachea, esophagus, thoracic. Accessory, major arteries, veins like thoracic aorta, pulmonary trunk, etc. Heart enclosed in the urinary tract. So, here is a classical description of this mediastinum into superior and inferior mediastinum. Inferior mediastinum further divides to anterior, middle, and posterior mediastinum. Superior mediastinum, what are the borders of the superior mediastinum? Bordered by the following structures: superiorly, thoracic inlet, inferiorly, continuous with the inferior mediastinum at the level of sternal angle. Anteriorly, manubrium sterni, posteriorly, anterior part of vertebral bodies of T1 to T4. Lateral, both side, parietal pleura, mediastinal pleura, both long. This is the boundary of the superior mediastinum. You can see the boundary and content. What are the content? You tell me, see this picture. What are the contents of superior mediastinum? Tell me.
Phrenic nerve होती है, vagus nerve, फिर left recurrent laryngeal nerve,
वो तो हो गया, वो छोटा नर्व हो गया.
aortic arch. सर उसमें
आर्च ऑफ आर्टा, आर्च ऑफ आर्टा ये
हाँ।
कौन सी आर्टरी है?
फिर ब्रैंकोसेफेलिक आर्टरी है, लिम्फ नोड्स है और फिर इसोफेगस है और कॉमन लेफ्ट कॉमन कैरोटिड आर्टरी है और लेफ्ट सबक्लेवियन आर्टरी।
Very good, very good. So I am again repeating the pulmonary trunk, arch of aorta, left right brachiocephalic vein, brachiocephalic artery, left common carotid artery, left subclavian artery, and arch of aorta. So these are the vital structure which is present apart from the nerves. Those nerves are also present in the superior mediastinum. Now you tell me what is this line? ये लाइन क्या है?
सर ये लेवल ऑफ स्टर्नल एंगल है जहाँ पे ट्रक्के डिवाइड हो जाता है, बाइफरकेट हो जाता है।
नाम क्या है उस लाइन का?
एंगल ऑफ नोज जो डिवाइड करता है वो वाला।
नो नो, ट्रांसवर्सस थोरैसिक प्लेन ऑफ लडविग क्या है?
ट्रांसवर्सस थोरैसिक प्लेन ऑफ लडविग।
Very good. So if this is superior mediastinum, what is this part?
Inferior mediastinum.
Very good. What is this part? हाथ का फ्रंट वाला पार्ट क्या कहेंगे?
बेस है। पल्मोनरी आर्टरी, कोरोनियस आर्टरियोसस, राइट वेंट्रिकल और एज ऑफ पेरिकार्डियम, लेफ्ट लंग और राइट लंग का लोअर पार्ट।
Okay, okay. So, but what is this part? Front of the pericardium. What is this part? From the inferior mediastinum, what is this part? Which is remain posterior to the sternum and anterior to the pericardium. No, no, no. Anterior mediastinum, where heart and pericardium present. What is that?
Middle mediastinum.
Medial mediastinum.
हाथ के पीछे वाला पार्ट posterior to the heart.
Posterior mediastinum.
वेरी गुड. वही चीज को ये जो डायग्राम है एपी व्यू दिखाया गया है बस. और ये लाइन क्या है? What is this yellow color dotted line?
The transverse thoracic plane of Ludwig.
Ludwig, Ludwig, Ludwig. Ludwig. What?
Ludwig.
Very good. Now you have to tell me what is the boundary of inferior mediastinum?
The superior inferior boundaries.
Tell me. हाँ?
सर एंड सामने की तरफ तो बॉडी ऑफ स्टर्नम है, पीछे की तरफ में एंटीरियर है तो
ऐसा नहीं है. अरे है ऐसा था एग्जामिनेशन में लिखोगे क्या सामने पीछे? इंग्लिश में बोलो.
anteriorly body of sternum, posteriorly pericardium in case of anterior mediastinum, superiorly plane that is separating that is transverse thoracic plane of Ludwig, then inferiorly superior surface of diaphragm and inferior thoracic inlets on each side mediastinal pleura.
और एक चीज छोड़ गए, जहां से ट्रांसवर्स थोरैसिक प्लेन कहना चाहिए था उस जगह क्या कहेंगे?
Level of sternal angle, transverse thoracic plane of Ludwig.
ठीक ठीक. Now you are correct. So the content of the superior mediastinum are 16 contents: thymus and its vessels and lymphatic drainage. Origin of two muscles, sternothyroid and sternohyoid. Internal thoracic artery and vein and their branches and tributaries. Superior vena cava and its tributaries. Phrenic nerve and pericardiophenic vessels. Arch of aorta and its branches. Trachea, सहदेव पानी पिला दीजिए जरा। ट्रैकिया to its bifurcation, esophagus, vagus nerve, cardiac branches, left recurrent laryngeal nerve, right and left sympathetic trunk, cardiac nerve from sympathetic trunk, azygous vein and accessory hemiazygous vein, thoracic duct, tracheo, bronchial and paratracheal lymph node, extraesophageal node, longer sporoid. So these are the things present inside the spiritual. Okay, just repeat it again. क्या क्या है? Tell me. Just repeat. Tell me.
Sir, thymus
Thymus.
and its vessels and lymphatic drainage. Origin of the sternothoraid and sternohyoid. Internal thoracic artery and vein and their branches and tributaries.
What is the internal thoracic artery? Tell me. Okay. हेलो, अरे इंटरनल थोरेसिक आर्टरी क्या है?
The artery supplying anterior chest wall and breast.
No, no, no. Internal thoracic artery is a branch of which artery? And internal thoracic vein is a branch of
Anterior intercostal artery.
No.
Subclavian artery.
Very good. First part na, second part na, third part?
Second part of subclavian artery.
No, third part. Third part. Very good. Superior vena cava and its tributaries. What are the tributaries of superior vena cava? What are the tributaries of the superior vena cava?
Sir, azygous vein.
Hey, azygous nahi. Superior vena cava tributaries.
Sir,
Brachiocephalic vein.
Okay, number 2.
Mediastinal veins.
मीडियास्टिनल वेन
Esophageal
कहाँ गया? मीडियास्टिनल वेन यहाँ पे कहाँ गया? हाँ, एक ब्रैकियोसेफेलिक बोला, ठीक है, और
इंटरनल जुगुलर वेन.
ओके, यही दो की तो बोलोगे, हजार चीज क्या बोल रहे हो? phrenic nerve and pericraniophrenic vessels, aortic arch and its branches. What are the branches of the arch of aorta? Tell me. What are the branches of the arch of aorta? Branches of arch of aorta.
Right innominate artery, left common carotid artery or left subclavian.
इनोमिनेट यहाँ पे कहाँ आ गया? बोलो फिर से.
आर्च ऑफ एओर्टा से निकलता है वो.
बोलो. What are the branches of arch of aorta? Tell me. Branches of arch of aorta.
Brachiocephalic trunk.
Brachiocephalic artery, then
Left common carotid.
common carotid artery, then subclavian artery. इतना ही तो याद रखोगे. Trachea to its bifurcation, this point is called what? What is the bifurcation point of the trachea? उसका anatomical name है. कौन बताएगा?
Angle of Lewis.
एंगल ऑफ लुईस कहाँ को लेके कहाँ जोड़ देते हो?
Sternocostal angle है, वहीं से तो trachea bifurcate
होता है. that is an anatomical landmark, but the point where trachea bifurcate to right and left principal bronchus, what is that called? The point of carina. What is the vital structure present in point of carina? Bolo. What is the vital structure present in point of carina? Nine. No.
Sir, fifth and sixth thoracic vertebral body.
ये नहीं ना. No. मैंने पढ़ाया था bifurcation at the point of carina. What are the vital structure present? भूल गए हो तुम लोग. एक नर्व रहता है वहां पे, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट नर्व. क्या नर्व है? कौन सी नर्व है? व्हाट नर्व इज प्रेजेंट देयर?
Sir, recurrent laryngeal nerve.
No. If I say deep cardiac plexus, am I correct or wrong? That is the answer. Deep cardiac plexus. And where superficial cardiac plexus present? कहाँ पे?
Sir, below the arch of aorta.
Exactly. Below the arch of aorta. Its medial side a vital ligament present. What is the name of that ligament? Superficial cardiac plexus का medial side में ଗୋଟେ vital ligament present है. What is the name of that ligament?
Ligamentum arteriosus.
Exactly, ligamentum arteriosum. Very good. किसने बोला? Answer. Who said? क्या नाम है आपका? Hello? Tell me. आपका नाम क्या है? अच्छा बात हुआ. किसने आंसर दिया? मैं उसी को पूछूंगा. नाम तो बोलो. अरे नाम तो बोलो. डरते क्यों? अच्छा तो क्या?
सर कृतिराज.
अच्छा कृतिराज. Tell me.
कृतिराज
what is the
नाम है,
other? Okay. What is the other name of this ligamentum arteriosum? उसका अदर नेम क्या है? और डिजेनरेट तो होती है सकीट ब्रांकियल आर्च, बट उसका अदर नेम एक है. क्या नाम है?
Ductus arteriosus.
डॉक्टस आर्टरियोसस. वो एम्ब्रियोलॉजिकल है. एम्ब्रियोलॉजिकली उसका नाम एक है. कौन बताएगा? हाँ, लिगामेंटम क्या हो? नहीं. दैट इज कॉल्ड लिगामेंटम रिसबर्ग. क्या कहेंगे? हेलो, लिगामेंटम रिसबर्ग. अच्छा, एक चीज is यहाँ पे देखो, it is written here sympathetic trunk. What are the ganglion involved with this sympathetic trunk?
Sir, T5 to T9.
Okay, any other thing? Three other vital structure है. तुमने ठीक कहा, T5 to T9 thoracic ganglion. What other structure? मैं बोलूं? हेलो,
हाँ
मैं
सर
बोलूं क्या?
बोलो।
सुपेरियर, मिडिल एंड इंफेरियर सर्वाइकल गैंग्लियन है कि नहीं? उसमें डायग्राम दिखाया था मैंने. हेलो, आई शो यू डायग्राम एट दैट टाइम. 3 लाइन होके आता है. हाँ, आता है कि नहीं? भूल गए क्या?
आता है सर 3 लाइन होकर के.
Okay. Now another thing I am asking you, what is the other name of inferior cervical ganglia? Other name of inferior cervical ganglia. जल्दी बोलो. Stellate ganglia. What it is? Tell me. What is the stellate ganglia? Okay.
Stellate ganglia.
Now, then tracheobronchial, paratracheal lymph nodes, juxtalo-esophageal nodes, and longus colli muscle. So these huge structures, multiple structures present in the superior mediastinum. You can see the lateral view of this area, superior mediastinum area, where you see the recurrent laryngeal nerve, the vagus nerve, which is this nerve. Also the part of the vagus, which is this nerve.
Left recurrent laryngeal nerve.
No, superior laryngeal nerve. The nerve is going inside larynx, the nerve is run outside larynx. What are the name of those two nerves? Name of those two nerves.
जो
The nerve which supply interior of the larynx, the nerve which supply outside the larynx. Name those nerves name only. क्या लिखोगे? क्या लिखोगे? बोले नहीं? The nerve which supply interior of the larynx, the nerve which supply exterior of the larynx. क्या नाम? Internal laryngeal nerve and external laryngeal nerve. समझ गए? Hello?
जी
Hello.
सर.
But the recurrent laryngeal nerve supply a muscle over here. What is the name of that muscle? Hello? Recurrent laryngeal nerve supply only one muscle. मैंने बोला था क्लास में. हाँ, बोलिए. क्या नाम? हेलो, अच्छा लारिंग्स पढ़ाया जाएगा उसके बाद पूछते हैं.
Intrinsic features of larynx.
Good, very good. Thank you. Now the contents of the superior mediastinum, which are great vessels, are arch of aorta, its three major branches, brachiocephalic artery, left common carotid artery, and left subclavian. Superior vena cava with tributaries located in the superior mediastinum, that is brachiocephalic vein, left superior intercostal vein, supreme intercostal vein, azygous vein, and internal thoracic vein. Nerves are right vagus, left vagus, left recurrent laryngeal, phrenic nerve. The other nerve are cardiac nerves, superior, middle and inferior cervical ganglion, जो मैं कह रहा था, and from the superficial and deep cardiac plexus in the superior mediastinum. इतना सारा चीज रहता है इसके अंदर, so you must be very careful when you do. अच्छा, will we take a 2-minute rest? Hello?
Yes,
Hello?
sir. हाँ, sir.
Then we will again proceed. Give me 2 minutes. Huh?
Okay.
हाँ.
Sir, you are not audible.
Hello, 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 hello. Am I audible?
Yes,
Yes,
sir,
Hello?
you are audible.
So the right vagus nerve run parallel to the trachea, passes posterior to the superior vena cava and right primary bronchus. Left vagus nerve enter the superior mediastinum between left common carotid artery and left subclavian artery. Left recurrent laryngeal nerve arises from the left vagus nerve as it passes through the aortic arch. Phrenic nerve from the anterior surface of this anterior scalene muscle, the phrenic nerve root value C3, C4, C4, enters the superior mediastinum lateral to the great vessels. Other nerves, cardiac nerves, originate from the superior, middle, and inferior cervical ganglion, cardiac ganglion, and form the superficial deep cardiac plexus in the superior mediastinum. Sympathetic trunk run bilateral to the vertebral bodies along the entire length of the vertebra. So these are the structures present in the superior. Other structure, thymus, it is a gland which is most anterior structure within the superior mediastinum. It sits flush against the posterior surface of the sternum and extends into the anterior mediastinum and can reach out into the neck. Trachea bifurcates into primary bronchi posterior to the ascending outer at the level of sternal angle. Esophagus ascend towards the pharynx, which it joins at the level of C6. Esophagus झूल के रहता है pharynx के ऊपर. Thoracic duct, inferior mediastinum. Thoracic duct, esophagus ascend towards the pharynx, which joins at the level of C6. Thoracic duct, the superior mediastinum passes to the left of the esophagus on the path of the junction of the left internal jugular vein and subclavian. ये दोनों के बीच में जाता है thoracic duct, राइट से लेफ्ट को टर्न मारता है, लेफ्ट इंटरनल जुगुलर वेन और सबक्लावियन वेन के बीच. मसल्स में क्या क्या मिलेगा? स्टर्नोहायोइड, sternothyroid, originate from the posterior surface of the mammalian and part of the infrahyoid muscle group of the neck. Infrahyoid muscle group of the neck, they are the part of the infrahyoid muscle of the neck. The inferior aspect of the longus colli muscle originate within the superior mediastinum. So these are the structure present in the superior mediastinum. So lovely picture up here. You can see thymus, phrenic nerve, vagus nerve, arch of outer, esophagus, trachea, and other structures present in the neck, in the superior mediastinum. Inferior mediastinum further divided to anterior, middle, and posterior mediastinum. Anterior mediastinum receives the part of the thymus and phrenic nerve. Middle mediastinum itself fulfilled by the heart and pericardium. Posterior mediastinum receives the esophagus, descending thoracic aorta, left recurrent laryngeal nerve, left and right vagus. So another picture of our dissection picture you can see. This is the superior mediastinum. This is the root of the neck, and this is the inferior mediastinum. Are you able to see this picture? Hello?
sir.
So what is this part? Arch of outer. What is this artery?
Brachycephalus.
What is this artery?
Left common carotid.
Very good, common carotid. What is this artery?
Left subclavian.
Left subclavian
Left
artery.
subclavian.
Is there a right subclavian artery present or not? I am asking, राइट साइड में सबक्लावियन आर्टरी रहता है कि नहीं? हाँ?
होता है सर.
Branch of what? But left side, it is branch of what?
Arch of aorta.
Direct branch of arch of aorta. What is this nerve going down? What is this nerve going down? Tell me.
Laryngeal.
No, both are vagus beta, vagus nerve. What are the both? Hello? Vagus nerve, right and left vagus nerve. What are these areas?
Intercostal space.
Very good. So here also see the dissected part. Posterior mediastinum, middle mediastinum anterior, and the superior mediastinum. This is the neck. What are these two muscles? Huh? No.
Sir, sternohyoid. Sternohyoid or sternothyroid.
Sternothyroid. Both are infrahyoid muscle. What are, again tell me, what are these two muscles?
Sternothyroid or sternohyoid.
This is sternothyroid, this is sternohyoid. Very good. Now boundaries of the anterior mediastinum. This is anterior mediastinum. Blue color picture here you see. Hello? You see this blue color picture? Hello?
हाँ सर दिख रहा है.
That is anterior mediastinum. Boundaries are anteriorly body of sternum, posteriorly pericardium, superiorly what? Imaginary line separating the superior mediastinum to inferior mediastinum. Inferiorly what? Diaphragm. Laterally what? Both mediastinal pura. So tell me the boundary of the anterior mediastinum. Tell me.
anteriorly
Anteriorly.
covered by body of sternum. Body of
Very
sternum.
good.
Posteriorly pericardium. Superiorly imaginary line separating superior and inferior mediastinum. और जिसको कहते हैं imaginary line को thoracic नहीं transverse plane of Lindbergh और inferiorly diaphragm और laterally mediastinal pleura.
Very good. Very good. The anterior mediastinum borders are lateral border, mediastinal pleura, part of the parietal pleura and membrane, anterior border, body of the sternum and transverse thoracic muscle, posterior border, pericardium, roof, continuous with the superior mediastinum at the level of sternal angle, floor is covered by the diaphragm. The roof is also called the imaginary line which divides the superior and inferior mediastinum. That imaginary line is called transversus thoracic plane or transversus thoracic plane or plane of Ludwig. Plane of Ludwig. The roof. Floor is formed by the diaphragm. Content. Very important. Internal thoracic artery, internal thoracic vein, branches and tributaries, sternopericardial ligament. Here it is written sternopericardial ligament. What is that sternopericardial ligament? Who will say? I will give him a chocolate.
सर स्टर्नम को पेरिकार्डियम से
Huh? Galat. That is nothing but the digressive part of the thymus itself. Thymus सिकुड़ के sternopericardial ligament बनता है. तुम्हारा आंसर सही है. Body of the sternum से pericardium को जुड़ाता है. But what is that? That is nothing but in infant thymus are lobulated and very big size. But when the child gradually increases the age, it becomes digresses and it converts fully ligament at the age of 25 years. As what? As what?
sternopericardial ligament.
Very good. Sternopericardial ligament, digressive part of the thymus. And certain fats. Apart from fat, what are the lymph node present? हाँ बोलो.
सर तो ये बच्चों में नहीं होता है.
पूछना चाहते हो? Yeah, it is in infant. Thymus में thymus usually dissect करोगे तो child में दिखाई देगा. Adult में वो sternopericardial ligament बन जाता है, digression होकर सिकुड़ जाता है. क्योंकि adult होते होते बॉडी का इम्यूनिटी पावर आ जाता है ना, इसके वजह से तो वो अपने आप में डिग्रेस होकर स्टर्नोपेरिकार्डियल लिगामेंट बनके हार्ट को स्टेबिलिटी प्रोवाइड करता है उस जगह पे. बट इन्फेंट में, चाइल्ड में thymus extend inferiorly into the anterior mediastinum from superior to anterior. However, the thymus recedes during puberty and mostly replaced by the sternopericardial ligament and the adipose tissue in adult. Adult जब हो जाएगा ना हम लोग, तुम्हारे जैसे बुटू, इसको दुनिया पसंद नहीं आता है. Gradually thymus digress होके adipose tissue बनके वहां पे sternopericardial ligament बनता है और T lymphocyte secretion बंद होके B lymphocyte secretion होता है adult में. समझ गए? हेलो हेलो हेलो.
हाँ सर. यस सर.
हाँ.
यस सर.
थाइमस देखो, बाइलोब थाइमस जो कि बच्चों में मिलता है नियोनेट में, वो थाइमस बाद में कन्वर्ट हो जाता है पेरिकार्डियल लिगामेंट। मिडिल मेडियास्टिनम का बॉर्डर बताओ। anterior margin of the pericardium, posterior border of the pericardium, laterally both pleura, mediastinal pleura of the lung, superiorly transversus thoracic plane or line of Ludwig or line joining the sternal angle formed by the junction of the sternal body and T for thoracic vertebra. T for thoracic vertebra. Line extending between the sternal angle formed by the junction of the sternal body and manubrium and the T for vertebra. Inferiorly superior surface of diaphragm. Inferiorly superior surface of diaphragm. You can see the boundary clearly over here. Tell me anteriorly what? मिडिल मेडियास्टिनम का anterior border बोलो।
Body of sternum anteriorly, posteriorly pericardium.
Middle mediastinum anterior border is anterior border of the pericardium, posterior border of the pericardium, superiorly transversus thoracic plane of Ludwig, inferiorly superior surface of the diaphragm. बोलो फिर से। lateral mediastinal pleura. Tell me, बोलो। बोलोगे तो। हेलो।
Anterior body of pericardium, posterior body of pericardium, inferiorly diaphragm, और superiorly transverse thoracic transverse thoracic plane of Ludwig.
हाँ। Inferiorly
diaphragm.
That is
और
superior
laterally
surface of diaphragm.
Superior surface of diaphragm.
What are the content of the middle mediastinum? Content क्या होगा? What is the content? Heart and pericardium itself. Very good. Now coming to the inferior mediastinum. What is the boundary of inferior mediastinum? Tell me. Anteriorly what? Pericardium. Posteriorly what? Which vertebra to which vertebra?
T5 to T2.
T5 to T.
T5 to T10.
अरे नहीं, T5 to L1 पूरा 12 क्रॉस करके L1 तक आ रहा है। देख रहा है ना यहाँ पे लंबार वर्टिब्रा 1, उसके ऊपर थोरासिक वर्टिब्रा 12 रखा हुआ है। हेलो हेलो, हाँ। So it's a huge area posterior mediastinum. And what is vital structure during the surgery? Descending or
वेन्स भी होती है,
वेन्स होती है,
लिम्फ नोड्स भी होती है और लिम्फैटिक्स भी होती है।
क्या लिम्फ नोड नाम बता पाओगे? अच्छा, एंटीरियर मेडियास्टिनम का लिम्फ नोड का नाम तो बोला नहीं। थाइमस बोल रहा है, स्टर्नोपेरिकार्डियल लिगामेंट वाला लिम्फ नोड क्या है? एंटीरियर मीडियस्टिनम में? रेट्रो स्टर्नल लिम्फ नोड और पैराट्रैकियल लिम्फ नोड। क्या बोलो? एंटीरियर मीडियस्टिनम,
रेट्रोस्टर्नल लिम्फ नोड और पैराट्रैकियल लिम्फ नोड।
अच्छा, पोस्टेरियर मीडियस्टिनम में क्या लिम्फ नोड होगा?
पोस्टीरियर मीडियस्टिनल लिम्फ नोड और थोरैसिक डक्ट।
नहीं 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 नहीं, ट्रैकियो ब्रोंकियल लिम्फ नोड बोलो। ट्रैकियो, हेलो,
ट्रैकियोब्रोंकियल लिम्फ नोड
एंड
एंड
हेलो,
हाँ
एंड पैरावर्टिब्रल
And
लिम्फ नोड, पैरावर्टिब्रल लिम्फ नोड, पैरावर्टिब्रल।
पैरावर्टिबल लिम्फ नोड।
paravertebral lymph node.
हाँ, फिर से बोलो, एंटीरियर मीडियस्टिनम में कौन सा लिम्फ नोड होगा? हाँ,
ट्रैकियोब्रोंकियल लिम्फ नोड और पैरावर्टिबल लिम्फ नोड।
वो तो पोस्टेरियर में, एंटीरियर में। एंटीरियर में
रेट्रोट्रैकियल लिम्फ नोड।
रेट्रो स्टर्नल लिम्फ नोड, रेट्रो स्टर्नल लिम्फ नोड बोलो। हेलो,
रेट्रोस्टर्नल लिम्फ नोड
एंड व्हिच
और
अदर लिम्फ नोड?
पैराट्रैकियल।
Paratracheal lymph node. Very good. Now, what are the vital structure present in the posterior mediastinum? Thoracic aorta, descending thoracic aorta, esophagus. Bolo, descending thoracic aorta, esophagus, part of the pulmonary trunk. Also, what? अदर स्ट्रक्चर क्या है? पोस्टेरियर मीडियस्टिनम का में एक बोल दिया थोरासिक, डिसेंडिंग थोरासिक आउटा, इसोफेगस, ट्रैकिया। बाकी चीज क्या है? थोरासिक डक्ट ना ना, वो तो एंटीरियर में पास होके जाता है बेटा। पीछे क्या है?
Azygous vein.
अरे अजाइगस वेन, वेरी गुड। हेमी अजाइगस, अजाइगस, इंटरकोस्टल वेन्स, सब वेन्स पीछे जाएंगे ना। कैसे तुम लोग सोच नहीं पाते? थाइमस, हियर सी पोस्टीरियर मीडियस्टिनम बाउंड्री। बाउंड्री ऑफ द पोस्टीरियर मीडियस्टिनम बोलो। बाउंड्री ऑफ द पोस्टीरियर मीडियस्टिनम बोलिए फिर से। एंटीरियरली व्हाट? हेलो,
anteriorly pericardium, bifurcation of trachea, posteriorly 8 thoracic vertebrae and disc on each side, mediastinal pleura.
नहीं समझ में आया मेरे को, फिर से। anteriorly posterior part of the pericardium, posteriorly T5 to L1 thoracic vertebra, superiorly transversus plane of Ludwig, inferiorly the descending surface of the diaphragm. समझ में आया? पोस्टीरियर मीडियस्टिनम। हाँ, बोलिए।
Yes sir.
तुम लोग बोलो पहले। एंटीरियरली व्हाट? पोस्टीरियर मीडियस्टिनम का बाउंड्री।
Anteriorly pericardium, posteriorly T5 to L1 vertebra on each side, mediastinal pleura, inferiorly descending surface of diaphragm and superiorly inferior ये ligament of transverse thoracic ligament of क्या ये inferiorly, imaginary plane separating superior mediastinum and inferior mediastinum.
I know, but you have to tell me. Inferiorly what?
Descending surface.
A diaphragm descending surface. Superiorly what? Imaginary line transverse thoracic plane. Very good. Plane of Ludwig. So that's all about the posterior mediastinum. Middle mediastinum content में heart pericardium mainly, bifurcation of the trachea, left right principal bronchus, vessels में ascending out of pulmonary trunk, superior vena cava, right and left brachiocephalic vein. Nerves में cardiac plexus, phrenic nerves located within the middle mediastinum. Cardiac plexus are two types, superficial and deep cardiac plexus.
सर आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही है।
हाँ हाँ, वो लाइन चला गया था, थोड़ा सा आ गया, लाइन अभी आया। The phrenic nerve and right and left phrenic nerve, it is a mixed nerve, provide motor innervation to the diaphragm, arise from the leg and descend to the middle mediastinum to reach the diaphragm. Lymphatics, tracheobronchial lymph node located within the middle mediastinum. There are a group of nodes associated with trachea and bronchi in the respiratory tract. They form the gathering of the bronchial nodes with hilum of the lung. Individual group of nodes are connected to the lymphatic channels. You can see here, right pericardial, left phrenic nerve, right phrenic nerve, and other nerves. Posterior mediastinum, superiorly the plane transversus thoracic plane, inferiorly diaphragm descending surface, anteriorly pericardium. This is derived from the one name. Posteriorly, posterior thoracic wall and vertebral column. Posterior inferior mediastinum, thoracic aorta, esophagus, thoracic aorta, esophagus, esophageal plexus, anterior posterior vagal trunk, both vagus nerve, sympathetic trunk, splanchnius major and splanchnius minor, thoracic duct, both these are muscle, thoracic duct, azygous vein, hemiazygous accessory azygous vein. Azygous, hemiazygous, accessory hemiazygous vein, paravertebral, juxtalo-esophageal lymph node. Thoracic aorta is a continuation of the arch of aorta. It descends through the posterior mediastinum to left of the vertebra. At the inferior border of the T12, the thoracic aorta become abdominal aorta. Passes through the aortic hiatus of the diaphragm. A number of branches arises from the thoracic aorta. Unpaired branches to viscera extend anteriorly, paired branches to viscera extend laterally, paired segmental parietal branches extend most posterolaterally. The major branches are posterior intercostal arteries, bronchial arteries, esophageal arteries, posterior intercostal arteries, bronchial arteries, esophageal arteries, superior phrenic artery, लाइन चला जाता है बार बार. Thoracic duct is the largest lymphatic vessel in the body. Allow return of the lymph from the body to the venous system. The duct originates from the cisterna chyli, abdomen, and enters the mediastinum to the aortic hiatus. Ascents lie directly anterior to the T6 T12 vertebra before deviating left as it ascends into the superior mediastinum located in the posterior mediastinum. Azygous vein, hemiazygous vein, accessory azygous vein. They all will be taught in the next class. Esophagus, contain esophageal plexus, passes through the esophageal hiatus of the diaphragm. Sympathetic trunk or paired bundle of nerve extends from base of the skull to coccyx. Thoracic region, these nerve bundles are known as thoracic sympathetic trunk. Descend to the thorax, they lie in the posterior mediastinum. Arise from the trunk are lower thoracic splanchnic nerve. Continue inferior to the viscera of the abdomen. Coming to the clinical part, clinical anatomy. Now come. Hello, am I audible? Hello. Hello. Hello.
Yes,
Hello,
sir,
am I
you are
audible?
audible.
अरे कुछ बोलो तो. हाँ. The chest radiograph, mediastinal space of the well appreciated lateral view of the X-ray. The
सर नहीं आ रही है आवाज.
shadow above the sternal plane represent the superior mediastinum. Subdivision of the inferior shadow आता है anterior part of the diaphragm represents the middle mediastinum. Retrosternal space in front of the cardiac diaphragm. In front of the cardiac diaphragm.
सर आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही है.
हाँ. लाइन इधर थोड़ा सा डिस्टरप्शन हो रहा है. जनरेटर लगा. So this cardiac shadow above the anterior part of the diaphragm represents the middle mediastinum. Retrosternal space in front of the cardiac shadow represents the anterior mediastinum. Space between
सर नहीं आवाज आ रही है.
this one. व्हाट इज, आज तो जोर से बोल रहा हूँ, इतना जोर से, आवटी कार इतना जोर से तो बोल रहा हूँ।
सर आवाज कट कट के आ रही है सर, जोर से तो बोल रहे हो सर।
हेलो हेलो हेलो, वॉइस इज कमिंग।
सर कट रही आवाज अभी भी।
हेलो हेलो, आवाज कट कट का, वो लाइन का इश्यू के वजह से, इंटरनेट इश्यू के वजह से हो रहा है बेटा।
हाँ सर
क्या
आवाज
करूं?
कट रही है सर।
सर वो पिछला स्लाइड भी नहीं समझ में आ रहा था।
So here you can see anterior mediastinum, sternal shadow area. Huh? Hello, hello, hello. सुनाई पड़ा? थोड़ा वेट करते फिर। हेलो हेलो हेलो।
Yes, sir.
हाँ, so number 1 superior vena cava, number 2 right atrium, number 3 this is actually ascending aorta, number 2, number 3 right atrium, number 4 inferior vena cava, number 5 pulmonary trunk, number 6 number 5 is arch of aorta, number 6 is pulmonary trunk, number 7 is appendages of the left atrium, the auricle, left auricle, number 7. Number 8 is left ventricle, and A is anterior mediastinum, M is middle mediastinum, P is posterior mediastinum. Mediastinitis is the inflammation of the loose connective tissue of the mediastinum. Facial spaces of the neck, paratracheal, retropharyngeal spaces extend below the mediastinum inside the thoracic cavity. Deep infection of the neck may readily spread into the thoracic cavity, causes mediastinitis. Subcutaneous emphysema, pus collection. अगर उसमें मेडियास्टिनम में बूज कनेक्टिव टिश्यू रूट ऑफ द नेक में कोई पेनिट्रेटिंग वुंड होता है, इसोफेगस परफोरेशन हो जाने के बाद, चाकू से किसने ना गर्दन में मार दिया, पेनिट्रेटिंग वुंड क्या करेगा, इसोफेगस का जो एयर है वो एस्केप करेगा मेडियास्टिनम को, उससे क्या होगा, एम्फाइसीमा होगा, सबक्यूटेनियस एम्फाइसीमा, कलेक्शन ऑफ द एयर, इसोफेगस से फट के वो एयर जाएगा मेडियास्टिनम। Mediastinal syndrome, what is this? If there is any growth, tumor or cyst, mediastinum में कोई growth होता है, tumor और cyst, वो कैंसर को कन्वर्ट होती है, bronchogenic cancer, aneurysm of the aorta, enlargement of the mediastinal lymph node in Hodgkin's disease. The clinical mediastinal syndromes are engorgement of the vein, vein engorge हो जाएगा क्योंकि वो जगह दब जाएगी, upper half of the body because of obstruction of superior vena cava, dyspnea, difficulty in breathing because of the compression of the trachea, dysphagia, difficulty in swallowing because of compression of the esophagus, dyspnea, hoarseness of the voice of the right and left recurrent laryngeal nerve, erosion of the body, thoracic vertebra, pressure on the vertebral column, widening of the mediastinum, frequently observed in chest radiography, hemorrhage, massive enlargement, cancer will lead to a widening, hypertrophy, heart failure. Then mediastinal shift, एक जगह से दूसरा जगह चला जाएगा, डिजीज कंडीशन में आर्टरियल एक्सिस में होती है, तो एक्सरे में दिखाई पड़ता है मेडियास्टिनल शिफ्ट, क्योंकि प्रेशर के वजह से प्लूरा उसको धकेल देता है एक साइड पे। हाइड्रोथोरैक्स, निमोथोरैक्स कंडीशन में भी मेडियास्टिनल शिफ्ट होती है, लंग पैथोलॉजी में भी होती है, उससे क्या होता है, सुप्रास्टेनल नॉच जो है वो भी शिफ्ट कर जाएगी। देन collection of the pus, extension of the pus from posterior mediastinum to posterior mediastinum from neck, नेक में कोई पस होगा तो वो पोस्टीरियर मीडियस्टिनम को सीधा जाएगा सुपीरियर मीडियस्टिनम दे के डीप प्रीवर्टिब्रल लेयर ऑफ द डीप सर्वाइकल फेसिया रेट्रोफेरेंजियल स्पेसेस से सीधा जाएगा पोस्टीरियर मीडियस्टिनम को। थैंक यू। ओके, हियर आई एम टर्मिनेटिंग द क्लास। आई विल शेयर द स्लाइड्स। एनी डाउट आप
थैंक
लोगों
यू
का?
सर।
कोई डाउट है?